3, 2, 1.
Please, take it.
No, I won't.
But it's yours.
I said no.
Thank you for everything.
I'm so relieved.
It's all gonna be okay.
Thank you, dear.
All right, let's get this secured. Got the cable. Moving to the front. Welcome back to the garage. Thanks. She's a beauty. Let's get her unloaded. See this dent? Needs a new panel. Right. And the hood alignment is off. Can we fix it without replacing parts? Maybe. All right, start with the engine mounts. On it. Unbolting now. Door panel's off. Good. Keep the pace. See this gasket? It's leaking. How bad is it? It needs replacing. It's not cheap. The door alignment is also off.